MTB 103 Angel Fire, our first time to a downhill mountain bike park. Tyson wants to do Upper Supreme. This is an advanced trail. This feature is a reflection of the skill level needed to ride this trail. I want to try something new, he says. I want to try something a little different, he says. My brakes are not happy. Not happy. So this video is going to highlight all of the trails that we did and our experiences on the trails. It's just going to be a highlight show. It's not the whole trail. This video would be 2 hours long if it was the whole trail. Just snippets.
Yeah, just what to expect, what it looks like. Remember, the GoPro effect is an effect. Everything that you see on camera in real life is much bigger and much faster than it looked on the GoPro.
And much steeper. I can't tell you how much steeper this mountain is than what you'll see in some of these clips.
They have their trails properly marked. Greens are tough, the blues are tough, the blacks are extra tough.
Yeah.
The jumps are big, the downhill is fast.
Really fast. You know, check the description below. I will make an attempt to put timestamps in there so you can check different trails. And if we crash, that may be linked in there as well. Yeah.
Watch this video to the end. You'll get a surprise.
After a 10-hour drive from Dallas-Fort Worth, we finally got to Angel Fire and had to set up camp in the dark.
We woke up to hot air balloons. Badger Nation, what was the most interesting thing that happened last night?
Well, nothing worked, and we got here really late, and it was dark, and everyone was tired, and we had to pee in the middle of the night and jump over Tyson. Yeah.
Tyson, how was it?
Which part?
The fun part.
Oh, going to the bathroom, it was really nice. I'd give it 4 out of 5 stars. Yeah, I slept like a little baby. We had fun in the shower, all of us. We all got in there at the same time. It was nice, spicy.
Yeah.
So we headed over to the bike park, got the bikes out of the van, went up to the window, bought our lift tickets, and since it's our first time, we wanted to check out the lift, how to put your bikes on the lift, and then take nothing but green trails down, get our feet wet.
Yeah, the Badger wanted to do the basic trails because she was only going to go down a couple of runs, and she wanted to do easy to get a feel for it, so it was perfect for us. What do you think, Badger, this ski lift up the hill on the mountain bike?
It seems a little sketchy.
Easy street, making it look easy.
Easy Street was a great warm-up, and after we went down that, we were ready to see what kind of danger we could get ourselves into.
How fast can we really go?
What are we doing on this one?
I'm gonna kill it, man.
Ziggy Turbo Diesel Boulder Dash. All right, follow that shredder right there. Here we go, Ziggy.
Ziggy was a great trail right when you get off the lift. It's kind of flow, kind of technical. It's a great place to start your run down the mountain.
A lot of fun stuff on Ziggy with features and easy stuff to get you warmed up for the bigger stuff down the way.
Here we go, a little wood feature action. Here we go, Turbo Diesel.
Turbo Diesel is a fast and flowy jump line. It was one of our favorites. We hit it several times.
Nice little shark fins in these bowl turns.
Boulder Dash is a great warm-up jump line to get yourself prepared for Candyland, Hungry Hippo, some of the bigger jumps going down the mountain.
These are some chunky. Ooh, nice little whip. Oh, he's fucking gapping me. Whoa, over jump. Don't over jump. Over jumping's bad. Whoa, foot off the pegs. When your feet go off the pegs, that doesn't end well normally.
All right, Angel Fire Bike Park, day 2. Yeah, ready to shred.
Keep in mind when you go to a downhill bike park, you know, there's a chance you might take a few spills from time to time. and one of us may have had a major spill, potentially. Stay tuned for possibly how this might have come in handy at some point.
Try and meet some locals, have them take you down the mountain because they'll know little tips and tricks and you can monitor their speed. So that's a little fun fact, little fun tip.
Our new friend Flo from yesterday said Chutes and Ladders is an awesome trail, so it says jump skills required. I don't really know what that means, but we're about to hit it up, check it out. First time of the day, first run.
Blue Trail, Angel Fire, starts off with this little drop. So we're riding this blind.
Chutes and Ladders is a blue trail with a lot of wooden features with really steep rollable drops. It's super fast and super fun. Highly recommend it.
Another little drop. Nice. Another drop. To a step up. Yeah. Here we go. Drop. And up. To another little bridge drop. Nice. Here we go. Air time. Onto a skinny.
Bridge ahead slow, it says. Slow. Oh. Whoa. Slow, yeah. Yikes. Woo! Oh, better slow. My bike's making a funny noise. I better stop and check it out.
Woo, yeah. Yoo. How'd that feel? Little burp the tire? Trail side flat repair. Trevor using the tongue technique. Sometimes when you send it a little too hard, you get a flat, you gotta do trail side repair.
The flat on the mountain, be sure you have a good pump, not one like this. Okay, this is what happens when you get a flat on a mountain. You can't ride the trails, you have to actually walk them. And here's a sketchy skinny that I'm gonna carry my bike over. Tyson probably loses his shit if he saw me doing this. Good thing he's not here. When you go too fast, G out, blow out your tire, and then you break your valve stem off while you are trying to pump it up. This means you got to push your bike back. I have to use the bike shop. Those guys were great. They had me fixed up in a jiffy.
This is the graveyard.
On day 2, we stumbled upon the World Cup course, and we quickly learned it was a little beyond our skill level.
So we quickly avoided all World Cup signs for the remainder of the day. Maybe next time. Something that I wasn't prepared for was the amount of braking I would be doing. Conversely, it heated up my brakes and they squealed like this almost the entire day. At one point, my brakes were so hot it would burn if I tried to touch it through the gloves. Drops and lollipops. Let's do this. It didn't seem to impact my braking ability, but it was really loud and the brakes worked the entire day, so that's a plus. I will admit though, I was a little scared a few times going really fast. I was wondering if the brakes were going to blow right at an inopportune moment. Whoa, that was really fast. Oh. Is this Sierra? Okay. This is not green. Tyson is riding with jazz hands. Take a few deep breaths. Get rid of some of this arm pump.
Jazz Hands was a really quick trail with some big jumps and really big berms.
That's how you do it, like that.
And for some reason, I became the trail guide. And I had to pick which trails we went down. Sometimes I made very poor choices.
All right, here we are at Hungry Hippo. Tyson took us on an alternate route, but I think we're here. Let's hope this hippo doesn't eat anybody.
Hungry Hippo is a black diamond jump trail. It's one of the newest additions to Angel Fire. It is super fast, super flowy, and the jumps are big.
And they're super fun. It was one of my favorite jump lines. The jumps were very safe, so it wasn't a lot of risk of getting hurt unless you get a little out of hand.
Look at Trevor sending it.
Send it!
Very safe, like this right here when I fell down.
Ate it. Oh yeah. Good save, good save.
Tree! And don't worry about that tree that I hit. It didn't take me down. Child's play. Tyson didn't die, so we're good. It was pretty steep though.
At this point in the day, we were feeling pretty confident, so we wanted to try our luck at a double black technical trail. Needless to say, it kind of kicked our ass, but we did find an awesome wall ride.
A little chunky, a little rocky. Whoa. Despite me not wanting to do this trail, we have a treat here at the end, so I think it was worth it. Wall ride! Upper Chillin?
Yep.
Tyson says take Upper Chillin. It's funny how he's the one behind me telling me to do all the shit first. Yeah, go ahead and do that. So despite what the pros said in the parking lot, how the blacks weren't that hard, these double blacks, they weren't that easy either. As you can see, they were pretty chunky and they took a little more skill than we were bargained for at times. My brakes are not happy. Not happy. Oh. Slow down, slow down. Going too fast. Slow down. Want to try something new, he says. Want to try something a little different, he says. Despite what this video shows, were super steep, and it made them double sketchy. It'll be easy, he says. No big deal. It's just a double black. Double blacks are like blues. They have them overrated.
Here we go. We're gonna follow some friends through Candyland. Hopefully, if I can catch them.
This was our first trip down Candyland. It's the biggest jump line in the whole bike park, and Trevor was all about it. He was sending every single jump, and I just kind of took it easy and cruised through them. He also wanted to hit that cannon. We saw that from the lift, and here he is, just speeding through and blasting off that wood cannon.
I wanted to get video of me shooting over the cannon, so stay tuned because we make an attempt later in the video. Okay, Tyson says, let's do Devinchi's code. It's a warm-up. Should be easy. That's why he's behind me. He wants me to go first and hit all this sketchy stuff. Testing out this brand new tire. After blowing it out in the last run. This ain't bad. Kind of flowy. Little tabletop here. Ooh.
Devinchi's Code is one of the best all-around trails to go down Angel Fire Mountain. It's got a little bit of everything. It's a black trail. It's super fast, super flowy. It's got some jumps, super technical, and it's a decently long trail. Super fun.
Ooh. This looks like a little gnar here. Gnar. Little fun section. Whoa. Don't want to fall off there. That's a long tumble. That's a really steep tumble. I don't see Tyson Ninja. I hope he didn't fall. Ooh, this looks pretty sweet here. I wanted to get some video going over the cannon, so I asked Tyson to ride ahead. It was our last run of the day. This is not too far from the bottom of the mountain, about a quarter mile or so, and things didn't go as planned.
In case you were wondering, the hospital in Taos is 18 miles from Angel Fire Bike Park, and it takes about 45 minutes to get there. We found out the hard way, or at least Trevor found out the hard way.
Like, subscribe, push those buttons. We'll see you on the trail.
See you on the trail. Keep Paws Up. Okay guys, so clearly I'm here making videos and I'm still writing today, so it all ended okay in the end. We will have a follow-up video, feedback from Tyson on the scene, the Badger at the hospital, everything that I experienced from the crash, why I crashed, and what I would do different next time.
That was our first trip to Angel Fire. It was a great experience. I hope this video helps you out on planning your first trip to Angel Fire.
And if you want the answer to the question, is Angel Fire worth the drive? Yeah, it's worth the drive.
Totally worth it. We'll be back making more videos.